we've had a few discussions over social media with different people regarding certain different things, and I am going to revisit the front now. I'm going to have a look at the front, just see if I can change the angle of that front and maybe give it a bit of a different run-in for the air to hit and then be dragged over with the rest of it over the top. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. We're still waiting on the fiberglass, and I've got to wait till Monday till a guy's back in at one of the companies I'm talking to. So I'm going to crack on with this now this morning and look at making this up. I'll have a think about it and then I'll come back to you. I'm going to mark up some wedges and I'm cutting them so they run the line inside and to the bottom, and then I'll cut a piece and fit it in and then form it, and we'll see how it looks. Right, he's stopped hoovering. So I use the bevel to set the angle of the back to the roof, and then I'd already pre-marked, so I can just draw a straight line across there and cut that, and I'll keep a similar run all the way around the front. See him through the windscreen. Just put that over your eyes. That should take a bit of the glare off. Dancing Billy. Basic shape that I'll fill this line in here. I'll just block out and build up these corners here and shape them in, and then fill this top line around now. That should be, well, it'll be a bit more aesthetically pleasing, and it will be a bit more aerodynamically effective as well.
Me talking about Wolfie. How am I want to wear a cowboy hat on? Do you hear it wash? and carry on now.
So I've put some, I cut that back and I've just shaped it in and round, and I've done the same on both sides, and I'm going to fill it now. And it looks a bit tatty at the minute, but once the filler gets in, I think I need to bring this one back just a bit more there. I might put the saw over it and sand it again first, and then get filler and fill it all out and get some nice lines going. Like I say, I'll bring this down, work this all in on this top bit, and sand it all back. I knew how long this would take. Looking good. I've accepted the fact that I'm going to have to put some primer on here and probably spray this line in once it's done. So once I accepted that, it was just a case of getting on with the sanding, and yeah, it's looking nice. I need to fill out a couple of bits here and some little bits around here just to make good, and down the bottom here, but I'm really happy with that as well. So we've just got some more filler in. I've been up on the roof filling as well. So all this front should be dry again now, so I'll start sanding it back again, and then we'll see what it looks like then. Tea time already. He's off in the van with his pizza. I've got beef teriyaki. You can see me a bit better if I stand at this side. I've sanded all that side back again, and then just filled out my lows, and that should be the last fill out for that side now. I can give that a final flat. This side I've just built up a bit more, and I'm going to sand that back after my tea. But I'll take this off for now, and I'll go and get my beef teriyaki. Like I say, this fibreglass doesn't like to run 90 degrees, especially not on internal corners. So that's a silicone in round over tool, and I was thinking if I get some filler mixed and use that to give me a nice fill it up, and then I can just rub it back in, and that should give me a nice angle then, really. And the problem is, it's getting to that time of year now where I'm starting to lose the light. I've got the top all filled. I'm going to try and get it sanded back now. I've got most of the sides done, but I'm not going to get them finished today. I'm 10 past 8. The light's already fading. And I need to be packing up before it's dark, really. I'm going to get that front bit sanded at least. These back bits aren't so bad. Maybe that back corner there. Just to take the sharps off, really. And just like that, the light's gone, eh? I've got the front started. I think Shell's just been filming me. The moon was out a minute ago. It looked really good, but I think it's gone behind the clouds. Anyway, it's definitely changed the look of it. A lot of work involved in that, though. That's a full day doing that. I'm getting bitten to death. And that's it. I think I've done enough for today. It's at least another half a day's work filling and sanding, I think. I've still got to finish off the back. I didn't show the back. It's a bit dark now. But you can see, maybe, there we go, where I've run that rounded fillet in. That just needs filling out a bit and rubbing back, but that's going to be nice for the fiberglass to run around. So yeah, the sun's set, it's gone dark. That's the end of it for today.